Just go to your room. You're not getting your laptop back, okay?
He's taking my laptop for spare parts.
I got you.
Oh, he's a robot. He's a goddamn like a robot.
God, these kids are stupid.
Refresh the everyday with Mentos Go. Yes to fresh.
Okay. You got this.
Find me a playlist with bangers and play it for me on Spotify.
Sure, playing on Spotify.
A rock? $10. Why would I want to buy a rock?
It's a good rock.
I don't want to buy a damn rock, okay?
Hard.
Look, I don't care if it's hard or not. I can buy a rock outside.
Okay, 20.
I'm not about to buy a damn rock. Look, just go. Leave, please.
No.
Go and take your rock somewhere else. Man, I hate people. I wish they all died.
Oh my god. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Ah, God, you just hear what I heard? People. He's gonna do the whole race. He's gonna try to kill everybody on Earth. Oh, I don't know. God. We're not gonna stop Chef Pee-Pee the robot.
Yeah.
How are we gonna do it though? I don't know, huh? Water. You right?
Yeah.
Water would kill him.
Yeah.
Let's try water. Let's try water.
Yeah, let's do it.
Chef Pee-Pee.
What?
Die, robot! Guys, he's short-circuited.
Why would you throw water in my face?
I thought you must